Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Zoom client on your Windows 10 operating system. So let's get started. So first of all, open your browser and search for Zoom download, and the first link which will appear here will be from zoom.us. So just click on this link. I'm going to put the link in the description of this video also, so you can directly come to this website by clicking on the link. Straight away you can see this download button for your Windows operating system. If you want to install Zoom plugin for your Microsoft Outlook app, you can click on this download button. You also have the option for the Zoom plugin for the IBM notes, and you have the Zoom extension for your browser. You also have some other options here, so whatever option is fit for you, you can select that option. But for now we want to download Zoom on our Windows 10 operating system. So we just need to click on the first option, which is Zoom client for meetings. So I'm going to just click on the download button, which is going to download Zoom installer.exe file. And once the exe file is downloaded, I'm going to just click on this exe file, and I'm going to minimize the browser, which is going to just initialize this Zoom installer. And now you can see this Zoom window. So how easy it is to install Zoom on your Windows 10 operating system. Now if you want to join a meeting, you just click on the join a meeting option. So here you just need to give your meeting ID or the personal link which is sent to you, and here you can set your name so that other members can see your name. Now if you want to sign in to your Zoom application, I can just click on cancel and then click on sign in, and here you have the option to sign in with your Google account or your Facebook account. Also you have the option to create your account with your private email address. So this is how you can download and install Zoom client on your Windows 10 operating system. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.